We copy down on the numbers wrong. Should it be 9.50, not 9.04? So we put that value in. Alright, let's move this time. Our calculator is malfunctioning as well. Our emulator is giving us wrong answers. So sine of this time by 15.7 divided by that gives you 3.731. So we're going to round this up to one decimal place. Because that number was 3, we leave the 7 alone. That's the answer. And we'll be told to work out PR. At the moment, from the information that's currently on there, okay, remember these two lines indicate that these two lengths here are equal. They're equal, yeah, the same. So the 8 centimeters on the right hand side is also 8 centimeters on the left hand side. Now we've got a bit more information. What do we know in this question? We know the angle in between two sides. If you have the angle in between two sides, we've got to work out its corresponding side. What do we use? We use cosine rule. Okay, what is the cosine rule? In its basic form is a squared is equal to b squared
plus c squared
minus
2bc
cos of
a.
Okay. Now, this a and that a, the little a is here and the big A is here. Okay. So according to this diagram, if you want to make it correspond, the A we can change in the next line, and when you copy yours down as Q, and that will be PR. Okay, or we call that little q. Now your B and C, well, they're the other two sides in any order. The other two sides is little p here, which corresponds to big P, and little r, which corresponds to big R. So that can be changed into P squared and R squared. That's if you want to make our formula correspond to our diagram. So this is a different approach I'm showing you today. I'm making the diagram match the formula by changing the letters so that it will be in the right place. The other way was just to relabel the diagram. So this is a different technique of doing it. Whichever way makes it easy for you. So where's Q? Here we are, PR. What's little p? Little p is?
8 centimeters.
What's little r?
8 squared.
And what's little p again?
8.
And little r?
8.
And what's big Q? Okay, can you make? So PR squared is all that. What happens if we take the Mr. Idris? I don't want PR squared. I want PR. So what do you do the R squared? Take it over, it becomes a square root. So this part then disappears from my calculation, my line. So in your calculator, let's try that calculation.
0.0350819.
So we can say now the PR is equal to 15.03. 15.03.
508193.
Okay, now we need to round this to one decimal place. They
No, it's three
significant figures, which actually in this case, first, second, third significant figure. Last digit, decider. This is, if it's less than 5, we leave it alone. So our answer is going to be 15.0 centimeters to 3 significant figures. Done.